The rapidly changing technology has made the world more connected than ever before. The aspect of localization has been replaced by globalization. And since English is the language of communication and is a global language, it is mandatory for the success of your career, whether you're a student or a working professional. The bright side is we also have many resources available with the advent of the internet, unlike the situation a few decades ago. You can absolutely learn anything online at an affordable price. The only things you need to focus are quality and your commitment to learn something new. Before we learn about why communication skills are so very important, let's look at some facts. According to the National Association of Colleges and Employers of 2018, verbal communication skills are ranked as must-have skills and qualities. 80% of internet content is in English. This proves to state how important English language communication skills are. According to a survey taken from hiring managers, more than 93% of employers look for communication skills as the primary skill among the candidates they interview. Let's look at top 5 reasons why communication skills are a must for everyone. Number 1. Cracking job interviews. You must have worked so hard on academics and school and college to get to the top ranks in math, sciences, or any other stream you have opted. You must have passed with a top percentage, but you can only get a job if you can demonstrate the skills or knowledge you gained. Yes, the degree certificate does matter. The hiring managers look at it, but that is good enough to get an interview call, maybe. And remember, top companies like Google, Microsoft are not even asking for degree certificates, and the selection is made purely based on how well you perform in the interview. The first level of selection process for any job is your ability to communicate well. And all entrance tests have English language skills testing. For example, UPSC exams, MBA, BBA, SAT and ACT, GRE, TOEFL, which are used for international education, and many others. The English language you must have learned in schools is about grammar, sentence structure, but it is a language of learning at school and not language of communicating. For you to communicate effectively, you need to be a notch higher. You need to start with reading several diverse books and articles online, and then slowly you will learn listening and speaking skills. Number 2. Performing the job well. More than 80% of the workforce is good at programming skills. They write a very good program to perform technical functions, but they cannot demo the same to a client. They cannot participate well in team discussions, cannot perform well in a group, primarily because they are unable to further the discussion as the language communication becomes a barrier for them. When someone is tech savvy, they also have to learn to communicate well, as most of the projects are global. The companies are serving global clients. Just not in the IT field, areas like real estate, medicine, art, marketing, business, you will need communication skills to close a deal or explore new ideas. Number 3. Advancing in your career. We have noted that to perform your job well, you need communication skills. Only if you can demonstrate your excellence in every area at work, you get promoted into higher roles. In other words, this is the only opportunity for you to grow. If you cannot communicate well, your growth is hindered in one way or the other. Suppose you have a great skill like web designing or a popular technical skill. You can become a freelancer working for global clients from anywhere in the world. For this, you need to quote a price and prove that you can outperform others in the same area so you can get more clients. But if you lack communication skills, your chances will be lean for becoming a freelancer. Number 4. Building work and personal relationships. Not everyone is a native English speaker, but most of the schools operate instruction in English, which means you get the foundation of language skills at school or college. When you're at work, one common language that is taken by default for granted is English for group discussions, teamwork, presentations. You'll be able to reach more people and build relationships both at work and outside work too. If you're passionate about running a business of your own, then you need to be able to speak with many people and build a global network. For this, the basic skill becomes communication skills. Number 5. Understanding culture and work ethics. Since work from anywhere is the new norm, since COVID-19, the future is going to be mostly global. This means you need to understand how other countries are built culturally so that you can understand a team member's personality sitting somewhere in the US or UK or any other country. To understand a new fragment of society, you need to spend more time, which will in turn help you perform the job well, taking into regard the sensitivities of their culture. In order to build a relationship and understand their culture, you need strong communication skills. Once you understand the culture, you will be able to follow a work ethic that is culturally suitable for all parties. There, you have learned the top 5 reasons why communication skills are so very important. Now, if you still give yourselves excuses like "I don't have time," then we will have to admonish that the communication skills are vital for the 21st century and they should be your number one priority. Thanks for watching the entire video. We are hopeful after watching this video you will take a step forward, because no matter what you learn, if you don't put it in action, it becomes useless. To learn communication skills with us at Skillioma, write to contact@skillioma.com or call us at 939-168-9468. Skillioma, Beyond Curriculum.